Labeling image data isn't a lot of fun. It's time-consuming and repetitive. Here we have an image data set of 1,000 images of people wearing clothing and accessories. We also have 34 concepts to identify, such as glasses, gloves, headbands, necklaces, shirts, scarves, and shoes. Let's do some labeling. Let's see how long this takes manually. We have some sunglasses. Let's see, we have a hat. It looks like a jacket she's wearing. I think that is outerwear. I guess she's holding it. We have a top. And she's wearing tights. I guess we have some hosiery. And finally, we have some shoes. And we're done. Now we just need to do that 1,000 more times. As you might have guessed, there is a much better, faster way to do this, so let's get going. First, we create a blank new application which we'll call auto-labeler. You can see it's empty, so let's create it. Now, we're going to switch to the new portal and refresh the page so we see our new labeler app. Now, we'll add a module that calls our Streamlit app. I've sped this part up since it's just filling in the fields to call our Streamlit app inside the portal. I'm a very, very fast typist. And we're done. Here we have the auto-annotation Streamlit app. As you can see, we can choose from any of the Clarify models that are in our app. Lots of them. We're going to choose the apparel detector because that's what we were using before. And we're going to automatically select all the concepts. We're not going to create a task automatically because the confidence has been very high for this. However, we are going to increase the threshold so that the model has to be 90% certain before it writes the label. Finally, we're also going to automatically change the base workflow to our app so that any new images we upload are automatically annotated. Now we submit, and it's building the workflow. You can see the progress indicator showing the concepts being uploaded. And Bob's your uncle, we're done. You can see we've created everything from bags, belts, bow ties, to skirts, socks, sunglasses, and suspenders. Now, let's head back to our app and upload some data. There it is, auto labeler, and we are going to go into data mode and upload 1,000 images of people wearing clothes. And it's uploading. So I've sped up the upload speed. This is just normal wait time while you're uploading images. This would be the same on any platform, really. Now that it's finished uploading, for good measure, I'm going to wait 5 minutes to ensure that all of the processing is done on the photos. Now let's take a look at the results. It's done a fantastic job. It's recognized all sorts of different items of clothing and accessories on every photo without having to go through all of those huge lists of items that were all in the concepts. So how much of an improvement in speed have we gotten? If you recall, labeling that first image took about 45 seconds. If we're optimistic and say that with practice that comes down to 30 seconds, that's still 30 seconds per image for 1,000 images, for a total of 30,000 seconds. I let the auto-annotation run for 5 minutes just to be certain it completed, for a total of 300 seconds. This is an improvement of 100 times, reducing the labeling time from 8 hours to 5 minutes. And if we're labeling 10,000 images instead of 1,000, the difference increases to many hundreds of times faster. Pretty sweet, eh?